moments. And most take place when you're not there.
You guys lost?
No, this is Mike's place? Mike's place?
No, it's not. You need to leave.
Introducing Spotlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security light with an HD camera, automated recording, and two-way talk that keeps you safe and protects your home. Bright enough to light up your yard. 270 degrees of advanced motion detection. Smart alerts to your phone, so you always know what's going on.
Hey guys!
Hey Mom! Hey Mrs. Robert!
Promise me you'll do your homework, okay?
Day or night, protecting your home has never been easier. Spotlight Cam by Ring. Security for every corner of your home.
If you've been meaning to get a Ring security camera and Spotlight, tonight is your night. The rest of America will be paying $200. We're gonna offer it at $149.99 with an additional battery and with an additional, when you talk about Ring Assist, this is gonna give you ultimate VIP customer service. The total package value equals $267. Our price, while supplies last, is the best anywhere in the country. So here's how it breaks down. Ring Assist Plus is $40. The extra battery is $29. The Ring Spotlight camera itself is just shy of $200. Our price, as you can see, is the biggest anywhere in terms of value. If you would like a camera, and many of us have the Ring video doorbell already, but if you'd like a camera that is also a spotlight that will illuminate if it senses somebody is there, front of the house, back of the house, side of the house, this is an amazing product that quite honestly is as well received as the video doorbell is. Our good friend Lori Leland is here. Lori, first time out of the gate, already a few thousand spoken for.
Oh my gosh, so popular.
This is a clever idea that, again, no installation woes. It's wireless.
It's very, very easy. You can place this just about anywhere around your home to help create that ring of security. You've seen Jamie Siminoff, our incredible inventor. You've seen Shaq. They're in the van, riding around, making neighborhoods safer. This is just another tool in your arsenal. So you can basically place this anywhere where you have Wi-Fi. So this could be on a tree facing your home.
Right.
It could be on a gate or a fence facing your home. It could be on the exterior of your home facing outwards towards the street. You mentioned it. This time of year, there are a lot of crimes going on, a lot of packages being delivered. Every 4 seconds, there's a property crime. But this is one of my all-time favorite deterrents because, first of all, anyone's gonna look at this product and see that it's a Ring product.
Yes.
There's a ton of advertising. Everybody loves the Ring family of products. This is like an entire ecosystem. And again, you can have as many as you want. So people are gonna see this and they're gonna think, oh yeah, I don't wanna go to that house.
Right.
Then you also have the ultimate deterrent, which is light.
Yep.
This is 375 lumens. So a typical light that you would have on the outside of your home is about 300. So this is much, much brighter. But this is so much more than that. This is a smart light. So as soon as there is motion detected, that light can automatically come on. You can turn off that feature if you don't love it. But it also has a camera built right in as well. So you get a smart notification on your phone that comes in just like a text message, no matter where you are. You could be anywhere in the country or in the world. You could be at the grocery store. You could be picking up the kids. You could be at grandma and grandpa's house for the holidays, and you're gonna be able to see everything that is happening at your home. You even have two-way talk here. So here's our big studio cam right up behind us. And let me just pinch and zoom all the way in because you can really see, look at this, it's 140 degrees wide. So a super wide angle view of everything that's going on around you. You also have here that green phone. That is key because that enables you to speak to that individual and say, hey, like the guy in the video, what are you doing? Doesn't look like you're, you're circling my packages. What's going on? Doesn't look like you're dropping something off. How can I help you? And you could be, again, anywhere doing this, and that could deter the person, but if you're not happy with that outcome, this goes a step further. So you're gonna be able to, so there's that nice bright light, so I'm turning on and off the light. This can turn on with motion, but I'm doing it manually just to show you. Look at how great that is. I don't know if you guys are getting that shot where you can see both. And then this also has that super, super, super loud alarm. So this is 110 decibels and a bright flashing red light Look at that. So this is going to scare them away, get them away from your property. And again, I'm turning it on and off. I hope you can see it right there. I mean, amazing, amazing all-in-one device that really checks every single box for your home security. Everything you could possibly want it to do.
This can go anywhere. This could be going on a tree.
The Ring Spotlight Cam is packed with incredible features, and one of them is the super, super bright light. Now, this is a motion detection.
Slight technical difficulty there, folks. We're back again. This can go anywhere. This could go on a tree. This could go on the side of your house. It could go on a fence. I mean, it really could be any place you want it to be. That battery lasts a long time. What I love about this offer as our today's special is that you're getting an additional battery. Lori, gone are the days where we have to bring in a company who has to rewire through the entire house to give us a security system, the installation cost, the monthly fee. It's not there.
It really is so much money. If you're going through one of those companies, they want you to sign a 3-year contract. It can be a lot of ongoing fees. This is a very nominal fee if you choose to be able to share your video clips for up to 60 days. We'll talk about that in a little bit more detail. But look at this. Look at some of these actual user videos. Look at how this guy walked up to the car. I don't know if he was going to steal something out of the car or actually try to steal the car. But that light came on and he was out of there. And it could be the fun moments too. The kids that are out dancing, or if you have a pet and you see a bear in the yard, you might want to bring your pets in, right? So this is a great way for you to have eyes on your home no matter where you are. You can keep tabs on things that are happening in and around your home. And I want to really quickly show you also how easy this is to install, because absolutely everyone can do it. We all have those areas of our home or the perimeter of our home that they make us feel a little bit uneasy. I've got that backyard, you know, the one facing the street. I'm always kind of, you know, I'm kind of nervous about it. With a Ring, now I have a Spotlight Cam out there, and it kind of faces a busy road, and then there's a gate that just steps away is my house. Right there inside the gate. It always has freaked me out. So that's where I put my Ring Spotlight Cam, but real quick, 4 screws. All you want to do is make sure Wi-Fi is going to reach to this, but only 4-screw installation. And then look at how adjustable this is. So you can place this, and then you'll be able to aim it in any direction you want to be able to aim this. This has 270 degrees of motion detection. So basically all the way around this, the field of view in front of that incredible camera is 140 degrees. And you have total customization abilities with this too. You download the free app for Apple and for Android. Everyone in the household can have the app. You can have as many devices as you want, all in the one app. And let me show you the motion zone. So this is how you customize. You go right into your free application, you touch on motion zones, and you can set these areas. So if you have that tree blowing in the breeze, or if you have that area where there's high traffic, you can turn those certain areas off if you want. And then all you do, it walks you through. So then you can up your sensitivity or lower your sensitivity depending on your needs for that particular camera. And it's so simple. If you want frequent motion alerts, you can set frequent, you can do standard, or you can do light. So if there was we had a bunch of crimes going on in our neighborhood not too long ago, I put mine on frequent because I wanted every single notification. See, and we just got a notification right here. So it comes in just like a text message. You simply tap it, and this is gonna take you to that live view where you can see. Now, this is a different camera that we have all the way across the studio, but look at this. Look how incredible this is, being able to see
a long way.
all the way across the studio. Look at this. This is where we are. It's incredible. You can see everything. I would say a couple of these and you could probably have your entire house covered.
It puts you back in control. I mean, it really does. All you're gonna choose tonight is whether you want black or whether you want white. So there's black or white available. Because you're buying from HSN, we're gonna give you extra. Now, for those wanting to know how good a deal this is, you're getting the first look at our Cyber Monday Today special. So this coming Monday, this will be the Today special. You're gonna get it first. So for Cyber Monday, we're doing the best price in America on the Ring Spotlight Cam. Always a fan favorite, always so well reviewed. This is the one without any wires. We're gonna send you an additional battery. That's another $29 value. So when one battery runs out and needs recharging, you've got a spare to go straight in there. We're also gonna give you VIP access with Ring Assist Plus, which is a wonderful access to great customer service, award-winning customer service, in fact. However big your home is, however small your home is, outside areas, this can go front, back, or the sides, it doesn't matter. But what you've got is the best of all worlds. I can see, I can hear, I can talk, I have a siren, and I've got a spotlight, so I've got illumination.
You
Lauren.
have illumination. We all know light is really the truest deterrent.
Indeed.
Now, you're getting that extra battery. So this Ring Spotlight Cam can accommodate 2 batteries. These are rechargeable. So all you do, you've got this great little trap door here at the back. So you simply press the button to release this door, pop out the battery, put this on the charger that we do include. It looks just like a phone charger.
Sure.
Bring it right in the house and then put this right up. In your free application, it's gonna tell you, hey, your battery's getting low.
Yeah.
You can at that point switch it with the extra battery, or you can load both at the same time.
Right.
And we expect that you should get between 4 and 6 months on one of the batteries.
Okay.
So once it starts to die, you see in the app that it's time to charge it. And it all just depends on how many times you're accessing that camera, but we anticipate about 4 to 6 months on each. So imagine, you could go maybe between 8 and 12 months on a set of batteries, and we are including both of those. So it's really, really easy for you to be able to use. Love this. And you don't have to worry about any cables, cords, or wires. You don't have to worry about that expensive installation. You don't have to worry about, like you said, having that company come in and they're charging all this money and charging you all these fees. With Ring, you can take this with you if you move.
Yes.
And the other thing with the other companies, and this always gets me, yeah, you're gonna be informed of something happening, but it's usually someone breaching the perimeter of your home, coming through the door, breaking a window. With Ring, this is proactive. So you know when they're stepping foot on your property, and you know what's going on even in complete and total pitch darkness.
So with the others, it's already happened, right? They've already crossed the threshold. They've already broken in. With this, we've got that deterrent. We've got the light. We've got the sound. We've got the ability to be able to see with the live view. Maybe you park your car outside. Maybe you've got a carport. Maybe you pull the car into the driveway and you're fed up of vehicle theft or damage. Maybe there's a nosy neighbor that's always there. Maybe packages are going missing. When you have a camera, just the very visual of them seeing that is a deterrent. But at nighttime, truly darkness seems to be the enemy. When you can't see, that's when you don't know. But when the light comes on, you can see, and they can see that you can see.
Absolutely.
That's the bottom line. We're
Look at
busy.
that.
We're busy. And here's real life video, right, Lori?
Absolutely. So check this out. You saw it switch from infrared night vision into full color when the Spotlight Cam came on. You can set this to activate the light when motion is detected. For me, I've got mine facing a busy street. Look at these guys running away the second they see light.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, it really is a way to chase people off. And then the ability to be able to talk to those individuals. You've got the green phone right here. You touch right there. They can never see you, but they can hear you. You can hear what's going on. It's absolutely amazing. It's like you're at home no matter where you are in the country or in the world. You could be anywhere. So we're gonna lower the lights here. And again, you can see that crisp, clear, beautiful visual. And with infrared night vision mode, it's going to dim completely down, and this is gonna switch into that infrared. It just takes a couple of seconds to make that adjustment. Oh, and actually there goes our floodlights are coming on as well. But you can see it. So there's infrared night vision right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights. So you guys ready? So we're gonna put a little light on the subject. So check it out. Everything now is illuminated in color, right? So you can see that. Now it's color. And there's Adam and I right there. Hi, everybody. Hi, guys. And then check this out. So I'm gonna set off that alarm, 110 decibels.
Notice the red light. Can you see the red light, everybody?
Red, flashing, blinking light. 375 lumens on the white light itself. So again, so let me show you again. So there's that infrared night vision. It does switch into black and white, but look at how fully it's illuminated, even in a totally dark studio. Pretty amazing. You touch it one more time, and that's gonna turn on that light and switch it into full color mode for you. Absolutely the most feature-packed home security system, all in one complete light that I have ever seen.
It's all there, and it's easy. It's easy to install. And even using the word install seems like too heavy a word. It's so simple, and the quality is there. Now, we get questions every single day about, will this work in a harsh Minnesota winter?
Yes.
Will this work in a red-hot Arizona summer day? All weather, all state, it will work for you. There's no doubt about it. The reason why today is the day is because you are looking at our Cyber Monday Today special. We're proud to stock the Ring family of products on hsn.com virtually every day of the week, but you don't get this deal. Normally, the camera alone is $200. We're at $149.99. We're gonna send you an extra battery. That's another $30 value. We give you access to Ring Assist Plus, which is a VIP customer service experience. experience. That's another $40 value. Lori, no one else has that.
No one else is doing this. If you're trying to buy this camera out on the market, expect to pay that full price.
Yes.
And they're not gonna include extra batteries, the Ring Assist Plus, absolutely amazing, everything that we include for you. And there is such a thing as Ring TV. There is a full channel of Ring users, just like you and me, and they're putting up all of their crazy videos and everything that's happening, and people are sharing. There's a community aspect to this too that I wanna share with you if we have time before the end of the presentation. But real quick, this is that Ring Assist Plus. So we talked about this. This is about a $40 value. And the beauty here is that you have a dedicated customer support line with actual Ring employees. These folks are really well trained. They know everything that's going on with Ring. They can help you install it, any questions with the application, anything that you wanna know. And then just real quick too, so you get 30 days free of being able to save your clips. And then you can see if you like that. You can always access your cameras anytime by clicking Go Live right in the application. Or if you want to be able to save your clips for 60 days, send them off to the police. If you need to, download them, share them with friends or family if it's something cute and fun. That is only $3 a month for this camera. Or $30 for the whole year. It takes up a lot of space for them to store all these videos. That's why they charge a fee, but it's such a nominal fee. The vast majority of customers do decide to do that service because it's awesome.
When you buy today as well on HSN, you also have the benefit and the luxury of the extended return policy. So if you're curious and you want to try it out, you actually have till the end of January of next year to make that final decision. And if for whatever reason you wanted to return it, of course you can do that for a return on the purchase price. All you're deciding on tonight is, do you want black or would you like white? So we have the black or white version in this special package that's being put together for us. You get the additional battery, you're gonna get the Ring Assist Plus. Over 3,300 people have already said yes. Count me in. Too many burglaries, too much theft, too many packages going missing, too much vulnerability, feeling unsafe in our own home. When you have this, it doesn't matter where you are. You might be at a neighbor's house or at church on Sunday or on vacation in another part of the world. If something's happening, you're gonna know about it.
You're gonna know about it no matter where you are. If you've got Wi-Fi on that cruise ship, you could find out what's happening at your home while you're on vacation on a cruise ship. Here's my house. So there's that back fence that always makes me feel uneasy. There it is where people can get through, just steps away from my home. If I wanna turn on that light, I'm all the way over here at work. This is turning on and off the light. If I wanna set off the alarm and freak out my husband, I could do that. If someone shows up there and I need to talk to them, I can talk to them. This is on that gorgeous new Moto phone that we're gonna be presenting for you shortly. But I love the fact that you are always connected. So that's the whole point of Ring. You always know everything that is happening when you're using your Ring. And you can have any of the Ring devices. So maybe you do have the video doorbell, maybe this is your first ever Ring product. This is a great place to start because it does check so many boxes. So again, 375 lumens, super bright light built right in, multi-adjustable. So if you put this up and you mount it with the 4 screws right here on that mounting plate, and then you figure out you want to kind of tweak it a little bit so you can see better, this is going to give you 140 degrees wide in front of that lens. This is 1080p, full high definition. So I mean, being able to see license plates of cars. You saw that truck back up to someone's home, and I mean, wow, he just loaded up someone's flat screen TV right in the back of his truck and drove right off. Really?
Bold as anything.
I mean, unbelievable. But that car, now that truck can be identified. You might be able to see the license plate. Like, it's really crisp and detailed information that you're going to be able to turn over to the authorities. Heaven forbid if it comes to that. But the great thing is, you might be able to prevent a crime. You might be able to say to somebody, hey, what are you doing here? Or set off the alarm and scare them away. Or maybe just the light automatically coming on with motion might scare them away. It's just a great way to protect yourself.
It's an easy way to protect yourself, and it's an affordable way to protect yourself, there's no doubt. At $149, you think about 5-10 years ago, this would be a full-on multi-$1,000 purchase. We'd have to have a company come in, they'd have to install it, there'd be a ton of equipment, there'd be a lot of wiring and cables, then there'd be the significant monthly fee. With this, it's $149.99, and then if you want to store your video clips, just $30 a year, which is so affordable. It's a nominal fee. Okay, I want to kind of dig into something that I think think is really valuable as well, and something I appreciate from my Ring products, and that is the Neighborhood app. Let's talk about that, Laura.
Okay, so the Neighborhood app, it's actually within your Ring app. So really quick, this is my Ring app. These are all of my various cameras. So I have a lot of different cameras. As long as Wi-Fi can extend to your products, you're good to go with as many as you want. So right up here in the top left-hand corner, this is the Neighborhood app. So this is gonna give you a synopsis of everything going on in and around your neighborhood based on other Ring users. So look at this. People are literally posting videos. Look how crisp and clear that is, by the way.
Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. So something is gonna happen here in just a moment, and it explains people checking doors, loud boom, fire. There's a structural fire. That happened to me not too long ago. I was able to get I got a notification from my Ring app from the neighborhood portion, and it said, hey, there's a fire like right around the corner from your neighborhood. So guess what I did? I took an alternate driving route home so that I didn't get all caught up in the traffic, and I stayed out of the way of the emergency service vehicles. This is so helpful. It even gives you a little synopsis that sends to you an email, and it shows you what your crime report is in your area. So really cool, just information, and this whole idea that we can all share what's going on, what's happening, if something bad happens or if a pet is lost. This is an amazing way to kind of gather with your neighbors that you haven't even ever met before, but really information is power, especially in our neighborhoods.
We're gonna share with you some testimonials because real people across America love their Ring products.
We were sitting here on the couch one evening and Ring neighbors notified me of some activity. I pulled out my phone and there were multiple houses that evening that posted videos of this woman stealing packages off their porch.
To have someone just walk right up to your house and take something, to put a face to that action and to actually see that occur, gave us the ability to do something about it.
Immediately, our fellow neighbors started to comment, this is the same lady that just hit our house a couple hours ago, and then it kind of took off from there.
Very shortly after that, the police arrested her and went into her apartment and found hundreds of unopened boxes.
This is the first thing we ask for. Do you have any video coverage of this? That's the greatest tool to be able to take as law enforcement and be able to turn over to a prosecutor to be shown in court. Definitely sharing information with neighbors, even if it is just social network, would be a huge difference.
It can only help that connectivity, everyone watching out for each other.
The way it brings everybody together and sharing of information and incidents is almost instantaneous. Nowadays, the game has been completely changed.
Everyone wants to make sure that their neighborhood is safe.
I mean, it really is about a ring of security. Jamie Siminoff, we've seen him on the commercials, the advertisements. This company changed everything.
They changed everything. And by the way, his email, his personal email, it's on the box. You have any questions, any problems, 24/7 customer support, even if it's a holiday, even if you're getting this, you know, as a Christmas gift, or you're getting this put up before the holiday so you can monitor those packages. Great idea. Real quick, this is our outdoor studio. I just want to show you, like, look at the range here, 140 degrees. I showed you how you can set up those motion zones so you're only getting notifications you care about. But look at this, I'm able to zoom into that patio furniture all the way over to the side. Look at this little table that's all set up. Looks like there's plates out there. Let's go eat. Amazing, but look at the quality. So again, 1080p, full high definition, two-way talk. You've got the little phone right here. You touch that button, that individual can hear you. You can hear them. They cannot see you, but you can absolutely see them. You can ask them, hey, what's going on? Get out of there. Turn on and off the light if it hasn't turned on automatically already, and then set off that super loud 110 decibel alarm if you're not happy with the outcomes up through there. But I mean, it just gives you so much peace of mind. There's nothing more important than feeling safer in our homes. And I think that's why Jamie really went to all these great links to create these incredible products and this whole ecosystem of products, because he wants us to feel as safe as possible and just wants us to be connected so we know what's happening even when we're not home.
It's something that, although we're looking at a lot of great Christmassy gifts and holiday gifts, this is something you buy for yourself and everybody in the family, because we all benefit from it. We can see what's happening, we can hear what's happening, we can talk to who's there. We've got the siren, we've got the alarm, we've got the red light, we've got the two strong, vivid, bright light strips that really give you that spotlight design. So bigger homes, smaller homes, back by the pool, the lanai, front porch, you can have that illumination, that deterrent. It's also a nice welcoming light as well when you pull in. So there's a lot of benefits to it, but the reason why people are coming to us is simple. our price is by far way and above the best anywhere in America. This, of course, is a sneak peek look at our Cyber Monday today's special. So this wasn't supposed to be here tonight, but it is because you're watching us on this Thanksgiving evening where we wanted to give you first looks. Final 2 minutes, Lori Leland. That's 1080p quality.
It's really cool. I mean, it's so discreet, you could barely even see it, but I will tell you right now, if there is a bad guy casing your home and they see a Ring product, they're gonna be out of there because they know they're being caught on camera. You have the ability to turn on that light. So it's up there. You guys ready? We're gonna turn that light on with the touch of one button, or you can do that motion detection. So as soon as motion is picked up, it'll automatically turn the light on. So there it is, on, off. Look how responsive this is. In real time, you're connected to your home, talking to the individuals that are out there, and then if you want to activate that 110 decibel alarm, it says to you, first of all, are you sure? Because it's really loud.
Right.
And then listen to that. Bright red, flashing, blinking lights.
They're gonna go running the other way.
Oh my gosh, they're gonna get the heck out of there. Are you kidding me? They are gonna go the other direction. They're not even gonna hit the next house. They're gonna probably go to the next neighborhood. And again, pinching and zooming in so you get a lot closer. This is 140 degrees right here, but your motion detection underneath this Ring Spotlight Cam is 270 degrees. So this can see virtually all the way around and send you that notification if it's one you care about so that you always know what's happening. When that notification comes through, it just pops onto your cell phone, just like a text message. You touch it and it takes you to the live view. Live view always works, whether you're spending the $3 a month or not. So you can always do live view and use this absolutely free. I do recommend though the $3 a month or $30 for the whole year, and then that allows you to download your clips, save and store them for up to 60 days. If anything happens, you can email the clip to the authorities. It's brilliant.
This is the Today Special from Cyber Monday. Thank you for your orders right there. We see you. Choose black or choose white. Get it home, see it for yourself. You have till the end of January of next year to make the final decision. And of course, this is one of the Today Specials, many of which are available over the next few days, from our Pac-Man arcade that was featured yesterday to the Shark vacuum cleaner to the Zvox speaker bar. So many wonderful Today Specials are available. Talking of which, you know, we mentioned Jamie a lot, who is the founder creator. There is another bigger than life personality who is also a big fan of the Ring company.